I always knew you were the best, the coolest girl I know. So prettier than all the rest, the star of my show. So many times I wish you'd be the one for me, but never knew you'd be like this. Girl, what you doing me? You're who I'm thinking of. Girl, you're my runner-up, and no matter what, you're always number one. My prize position, one and only. I told you, girl, I want you, the one I can't live without. That's you, you're my special little lady, the one that makes me crazy. Of all the girls I ever know, it's you,